Hey folks, Adam here, and we are looking at this. It is one of the most impressive little dash cams I've ever had a chance to check out. This thing is able to see in 4K. It uses dual STARVIS sensors to where it sees great in low light. This thing will support up to a 512 gigabyte card to where it stores all your information right there. It has the latest in Wi-Fi 6. That means it's able to transfer the video straight to your phone without a lag. It does a front camera, an interior camera, and a rear camera all at the same time with beautiful footage. This is incredible. It's got AI detection. It will make sure to protect your car with a park mode as well. And it's made by one of the greatest companies around using 4G LTE. It does emergency recording. That means if you're in an accident, it will go back in time and make sure you have all the footage you need for before and after the accident occurred. And it even has a super capacitor that I love that works even in extreme heats like we have right now in Florida, and even in cooler temperatures like my buddy Watson experiences in Michigan. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're going to kick it off right about now. All right, folks, so hopefully we'll be able to show you some impressive driving footage while I talk to you about this very impressive camera. Now, like I said, dual Sony STARVIS 2 technology means a really beautiful enhanced picture even during nighttime and low light settings. Very happy with the performance on this. We drove it around a little bit, tested it out through the night, and that image, both front, rear, and interior, came out absolutely crystal clear. The night vision on this is exclusive technology for clearer images and less noise, balanced exposure, and improved glare control. So even when the sun is setting or the sun is coming up, we've had no issues getting crystal clear images. It also has dual 4K and 3-channel. Yeah, the T800 combines space-saving integrated front and interior camera all right in the front, and you can move and adjust them to the direction you need. So that's pretty cool. And this virtually eliminates all your blind spots. So no matter where somebody may run into you, you're going to be able to have the proof and footage to show the cops, to show the judge that you weren't at fault. This can be very important. Nowadays, your insurance company will have a place that you can upload your video files immediately to them so they can make a decision of who's at fault. And this is going to help your case should an accident occur, particularly with that emergency footage that records before and after an emergency happens, and it'll automatically detect that. It's got 4G LTE connectivity to ensure uninterrupted communication with your vehicle in any location. Yeah, this is unparalleled by anything that I've had a chance to review before, which makes it super duper awesome. And of course, the Smart Parking Guardian, it features AI detection, triggering all 3 cameras when something suspicious happens, and it will capture 1 frame per second just when you're parked to make sure that it isn't running down your battery, but it is still getting all the coverage that you can just zoom through. Yeah, like I said, it also has that buffered emergency recording, 3 minutes per collision, the impact, and 30 seconds after pre-collision, impact, and after. So you have virtually all the evidence you need should somebody run into your car. I had that recently. Somebody cut me off, clipped my front end, and then claimed I rear-ended them. Thank goodness for a good insurance company and good cameras, because they literally tried to sue me for multi-millions of dollars saying I could never work again. I needed neck surgery. And my insurance company saw the footage, took care of the business. I never had to mess with it. It also has battery voltage monitoring 24/7, 9 levels of protection against rain, remote and auto low voltage, etc. Auto power off. This is protecting your vehicle at all times. The LumaVision parking, again, industry first technology ensuring clear visibility. And Super ADAS will warn you against traffic risks as well. And I love the fact that you can turn on and off the camera with your voice. Works in English and a variety of other languages, so that's pretty cool as well. Yeah, this thing is cutting edge technology, again, by a great brand, so we've been very happy with them. The built-in GPS tells the exact location on the footage. The voice control is fantastic. And I do like the picture-in-picture on screen. You can see that you're recording front, back, front, inside, and back. And that matters too. You can make the adjustments right on the app itself. Very easy to control. I really like it. And I know you're going to like it too, because this is a great brand. I've noted that they've got great customer service. They back their product for a long period of time. And unlike some other cams that, the card didn't work, this auto formats as soon as you put the card in. Everything just works. And they've got practically a 0 defect rate, which sets them apart from the competition as well. Now that My Color that they have is really fantastic. It gives you vivid color, great images, and yeah, if it's just the front camera, you can get 4K at 60 frames per second. That 4K is important because sometimes you need to be able to read a license plate, and you can read that from a distance when you zoom in on the footage. That's going to be very important. Again, should something go wrong, you can see the footage you need. Somebody cuts you off, somebody throws something at your car, you have their license plate, and you're good to go without a word to say. All right, folks, and it's kind of hard to film in my car, the dash cam itself, but I do want to show you, you can scroll through the different screens. Right now we're looking at picture-in-picture. There's the back, there's the interior cam, hello everybody, and the front camera. And yeah, it's good enough to where if we want to zoom in, we can read the license plate on the Jeep in front of me. But this will turn off that internal camera, so it gives you a little privacy, because there's times you and your girlfriend may be in the car and you're talking about something or doing something you don't want everyone to see. You can turn that off and on. You can turn off the microphone, turn on the microphone and off, and you can go through your menus very easily and efficiently. Check out your albums, your parking surveillance, your smart travel, your system settings. All your settings you can run through at a push of a button. I like that, and I know you will too. So folks, very easy and convenient right there. Folks, I got to give them a shout out for that big color screen as well. That's important. We actually had some lawn care guy behind the car. I'm glad I can watch him on the camera in front of me. That's nice. Really a fantastic device, a great brand. Now, during the up close portion of the video, which we have coming up next, is our moment for you to put this in your cart, to go pick this up. During the up close portion of the video, you'll see the product up close and personal. You get to see the buttons, you get to see the cameras, you get to see everything up close and personal. What comes in the box, what adhesive, what cabling, the quality, etc. It's also a great time to go pick it up. It's a great time to put it in your cart, and we highly recommend you do that. A great brand, great customer service, great reputation, high quality. This thing is the apex of dash cams. Folks, it's time to go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. I love you. I appreciate you. But what are you waiting for? It's time to get to shopping. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Stick around for the up close portion of our video. All right, folks. So we've got this fantastic product for you. This is the up close portion of the video where we get to show you the box and all the products up close and personal. And this is a no-nonsense dash cam here. I'm telling you, they've done a great job. Look at this brand right here. It's the 4K T800 premium set. Hardwired, CPL filter, all part of this. You got 4K HDR 3-channel recording now over here. I love that it's got the front 4K and rear 4K. The 3-channel HDR, boy, they're incredible. Dual Sony STARVIS 2 technology. It means it's going to be great night footage. 4G compatible. Wi-Fi, 5 gigahertz, Wi-Fi 6, wow. Built-in GPS and ADAS. Smart Parking Guardian mode and voice control, yeah. Now, they've just done a great job here. Let's see if we can zoom in just a little bit so you can read that with me, right? It's the 4K 30 frames per second, 1080p 30 frames per second, 4K 30 frames per second, 3-channel recording, dual STARVIS buffered emergency recording. Yeah, it's going to cover you in an emergency automatically. Smart parking, AI motion detection, app control, built-in GPS, supports up to a 5 gig card and a super capacitor. Holy cow, excuse me. 512 gig card. You guys were going to call me out if I said that wrong, huh? All right. Didn't catch me slipping. And look at this. Now, oftentimes I take the item out of the box before I do this video, but I peeked and I saw how nicely this was packaged. So I wanted you to see, it looks like, you know, just a high-end product the way it's packaged. Now, included the 5K card, all your 3M adhesive. Okay, that's nice. You've got everything you need to protect the screen, make sure everything's good. You've got your user manual, a paper user manual. You don't have to look this up. And of course, the customer service information, all available. They've got great customer service. Everyone's been talking about their customer service representatives being the best in the industry. Now, they haven't skimped on that dual Sony STARVIS technology, right? Look at that. This is going to be great. Easy to adjust to get the perfect angle for your vehicle. Ultra HD 4K. Low light settings are going to be through the roof on this. They're going to be incredible. Okay, I'm going to peel this back. Whoop. Noise. Noise. Camera here. Camera there. Camera out the back. Camera everywhere. Okay. Now, one thing I like about this, micro SD goes right there. Button right here. Most likely a speaker. And this is going to connect cleanly and efficiently into your driving, onto your windshield. Okay, so this is the piece that actually goes on your windshield. It's got that 3M tape, and then you put that on your windshield, and then that's going to just slide right into place. So that's nice because you can easily remove the camera anytime you want. Boom. Even look at the cabling, right? USB-C, look at how thick and robust this cabling is. They've just done a great job. There's your removal tool. A little more cabling here for you. USB-A to C. They've just given you everything you need for success, folks. Now, that super capacitor solution withstands extreme heat and temperatures for a long lifespan. 4G LTE ensures uninterrupted communication with your vehicle in any location. 3-channel HD recording, of course. Buffered emergency recording, capture up to 3 minutes pre-collision of the impact, 30 seconds after. So you have everything covered, and that could be very, very important if you need to go to court. Yeah, sometimes that happens. Physical buttons that are easy to press, okay? A camera that you can point exactly where you need it in the cabin. Battery voltage monitoring, 24/7 status, 9 levels of protection against drain. The remote and auto low voltage off. The LumaVision parking, an industry-first technology to ensure visibility and clear vision at night. That's nice. Super sensing ADAS warns you in advance of traffic safety risks to keep you extra safe on your journey. Built-in GPS to where you know exactly where things are happening. So you can use that should you need it on a court case or in an argument with a police officer. Voice control now supports Japanese, English, and Mandarin, Italian, etc. Simple commands for photos and videos on and off. Picture-in-picture. The Vivid My Color, I believe that's pronunciation, Vivid Solution. Exclusive algorithm, auto exposure to make sure the balance is beautiful so you get great imagery. 4K 60 frames per second, certainly possible with single channel mode. All right, folks, so if you're looking for something that is stylish, sophisticated, and chic, this one is absolutely too sweet. Backed and ready to go. This thing is a gem. Folks, I highly recommend you go pick it up. This is from one of the greatest brands around. Unequivocally the best of the best. Warranted. Customer response 24 hours. 3-channel recording. 3-channel HDR. Dual STARVIS. The IMX678. Battery voltage monitoring and AI detection. Whoop. A little collision detection, right? Thank you for watching. You know I love and appreciate you, but it's time to go pick one up. This portion of the video gave you an opportunity to go put this in your cart, and if you haven't done so already, you're long overdue. Thanks for watching, folks. Goodbye, my friends. Go get one.